Oh, oh, oh. Tell me why I should believe you. Here's no. Be quiet. Be quiet. You were not locked out.
Locked out.
No,
Honestly,
you weren't.
when he gave me, if to show the video, I have this. I apologize. I have no excuse.
You know what? I am not going to sit here and try to overtalk you because if you keep interrupting me, you're going to be going with my bailiff. You want to know what? You keep it up. What did I tell you? You think I'm...
This guy is back in court again, trying to pull a fast one on his landlord. He's saying he got locked out of his apartment, a typical excuse. The funny part? He already got caught lying in an earlier hearing. But now, he's back acting like no one remembers. He just won't stop talking, and every time he opens his mouth, he makes things worse. You can tell Judge Simpson is trying not to laugh or lose his patience. Honestly, this might be one of the dumbest court appearances I've seen in a while. Let me know in the comments if you think this guy has more or less than 7 brain cells. Let's watch Judge Simpson shut him.
Go ahead. What do you want to say?
Last time I was here, Your Honor, I was scared, and I lied to you.
Okay.
I wasn't honest. I went through this with Mr. McLaughlin, and I didn't when they wouldn't let me into my place. So I took the money.
Both sets of money?
Huh?
Both sets?
I took the money because I had no place to go, and I didn't know what to do. And I had medications, and I was out on the street having no family and friends. And he kept pressuring me to move out so that someone else would move in. And he kept sending me emails and texts that my security deposit was going down. I really didn't know what to do. And being not able to get back to my place where my stuff is, I was scared. I truly was. And I didn't want to admit that I was afraid or nothing like that. You know, I thought it might make me seem like I'm weak or something like that. I found out that makes me seem like I'm weak by not being honest. And I apologize. Please forgive me.
So you voluntarily surrendered the apartment?
No, I didn't surrender the apartment. No, I couldn't get back in. They had already locked the doors. I couldn't get in. They're standing there. I couldn't get in.
So what are you claiming you lied about?
I accepted the $400.
Which $400?
There's only one.
Well, no. My understanding is there's two $400.
That's what they're trying to say.
Okay, so which $400 did you lie about?
A video that they have showing him giving me $400. This video
from Mr. McLaughlin's agent.
Yeah,
you took that $400.
Yeah. They came down the stairs and they gave it to me.
Okay.
I didn't want it, but.
Well, hold on a second. Hold on, Mr. Daniels. So you took that $400, and that was the $400 where you agreed to surrender the unit.
No, I didn't agree to surrender anything.
Then why were you getting the $400?
He told me, said, "Girl, listen, you might as well, have a place to stay in." And I agreed with it, the gentleman won't have me one. And I'm like, I'm not signing anything. That's wrong. He's like, yeah. He said, I don't
well, so
I was frightened.
Daniels?
Yes, sir.
There's this meeting that takes place.
Yes, sir.
You're given $400.
Yes, sir.
Why did they give you the $400 if it wasn't to relinquish possession of it?
I wasn't relinquishing possession.
Okay.
I never agreed to
okay. All right. Then why did you take the $400?
I didn't know what to do. I had no place to go.
What do you mean you didn't know what to do?
I had no place to go. And I don't want to stay on the streets.
Mr. Daniel.
Yes, sir.
What you're saying, it doesn't make any sense. So, you need to start telling the truth.
I took it because I didn't have no place to go. I didn't have no money to get food to eat. I had medications that I had to have. And
Mr. Daniel, you had a place. They said, so here's what you told me.
The door was locked. I was locked out. I didn't have the keys to the place. The locks were changed. I had no way of getting in. And if you show the video properly, even the front door was boarded shut. It was extra cross with wood. I couldn't get in. The locks were changing all that. I come around to the back, and there they are standing at the back door. And I'm like, listen, let me in. And here they go. And I, it's like, I panicked, I was scared, it's like, no excuse. I do a lot of mental illnesses, mental things, and I thought that they all coming at me anyway. They had broken into my home while staying there, and the tenants that stayed there, I told Mr. McLaughlin, he's like, so what you want me to do? And I was afraid, honestly. But I was afraid that I was afraid that I would react in a way that I wasn't supposed to. I didn't know what to do, honestly. I didn't. Truthfully, I didn't know what to do. And not thinking properly, and thinking that I would be smarter than them, accepting it and still coming to report against them for what they've done. That's what I thought. I've been truly, at the time, everything was happening. I was panicking and didn't want to go through it, didn't want to go on the streets, didn't know what's happening. And they offered money, and I said, okay. I thought I was being smart
This guy is like comedy and chaos rolled into one.
He won't stop rambling.
He apologizes for lying, while telling more lies in the same sentence. Then he says sorry for interrupting, while interrupting again. It's like he doesn't realize he's undoing his own words as he says them. Judge Simpson is just sitting there silently, probably waiting for him to stop talking or thinking about lunch. Honestly, it's hilarious. The way he keeps talking in circles makes it feel like I'm watching a video game character glitch out. This dude is totally acting like an NPC. Have you ever seen someone ramble this much in court? Because this guy might be the record holder.